Hi gorgeous, let's play with a bunch of new makeup. It's gonna be fun, it's a good time. We got some good products. Subscribe. You should subscribe. Foundation is already laid, all right? We are rocking with the Charlotte Tilbury Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint. Side note, brands, could we quit making these names so long? I'm not very, like, I stumble over words, especially when I get excited, and then that's just, you know, maybe like 2 words, 3 max. Let's get into this. I'm so excited. I haven't done like a new makeup video in a hot minute. Video for the Charlotte Tilbury it's already up. Okay, so watch that if you want to know the deets on this shiny, beautiful, smoothing product. Let's go in with some bronzer, shall we? The Duo Brush Refi bronzing brush I'm gonna use, and then the new bronzing cream bronzer that she has. This is gonna be a doozy. I cannot talk today. We're gonna go in with these two to start. You know what? Let me do my brows real quick first. The good news with that is I do have a new concealer. This is the Saie concealer in the shade 1. Definitely got this for brightening. This is the Slip Tint Radiant All Over Concealer. This is the packaging. Cute little Saie moment. We'll just go right in. This also has niacinamide in it, which is great for that youthful look. Well, yeah, that's gonna be bright, but it's okay. We'll tone it down. I'm gonna put on some extra just so, you know, we can get the full effect. And it is radiant, so it doesn't mess up the, you know, Charlotte Tilbury glow stick, if you will. Let me go in with a, told you, beauty blender, and putting it, oh my gosh, putting it on my lid for some, what is it called? Eyeshadow primer. Nice little hack so you don't have to buy both eyeshadow primer and a concealer, you know what I mean? Like, just use your concealer. Okay, she blends like a dream. A medium coverage concealer, and you can see that definitely on this side. It doesn't look bad. It's just, you can see, like, it's not that flawless under eye look that a lot of people like to achieve. I am going to add a little bit more just to this side. It blended beautifully. I feel like the medium coverage concealers blend better. They just do. I mean, point blank period. And you can always build it if it's a good concealer. It should definitely let you build it. Okay, we always love the makeup process. Looking a little crazy craze, yeah. Okay, so one thing that I've been doing is pancaking my setting spray in. If I notice like this doesn't hold very well, a certain product, then I'm like, okay, I've put it on. Now let's go ahead and set it for a sec. And I've been using this one from Charlotte Tilbury, and it doesn't mess up the rest of the application process with my makeup. So I just give that a second to dry, and then we're back to it. Literally like 20 seconds. Okay, so now let's go in with the Refi products. Let's do some bronzing. This is the shade Sand. This is the lightest shade. My only fear with this is that it might pull orange on me, but we shall see. I'm gonna go in with their bronzing brush. Seems nice and creamy. Isn't hard to pick product up. I'm nervous. So this is definitely just going to give you that soft bronze look, which is honestly what I like on just an everyday kind of look. Sorry, my mirror's over there. I do like how this brush just kind of sweeps it on. And brushes like these where they're dark and then they're white or 2 different tones, that's because they have 2 different bristle lengths in them. So that's what's going to provide that beautiful kind of seamless bronze application. So if you're in need of, you're like, I keep putting on bronzer and it just doesn't look good, I can't get it blended, try a dual bristled brush. They do not make this talk easy, and that should definitely help with that seamless application. This is going to be for more concentrated, more like buffet and like a nose contour. That's what I'm going to try it with today. Wait a second, I'm really liking this shade for a soft touch. Like, you see what I'm talking about? That looks good. I'm not gonna go in too heavy. Oh, why did I do that? The shade is not a contour of the nose shade. Oh well. A little under the lip, which is gonna give us more of a pouty lip look. Okay, next up, let's do some blush. We're gonna do two. I'm going to do, gosh, I'm really gonna be glowing today. Let's do this one from Haus Labs in the shade Pomelo Peach. And then we're gonna go in with the Soft Pinch from Rare Beauty, which is like radiance at its finest. And I already have like prominent cheekbones, so we gonna be really cheek popping, okay? This is actually reformulated from Haus Labs. I already have her old formula of this blush, but let's see what the difference is. Color Fuse Talc Free. With fermented arnica. I'm not sure what that is or what it does, but let's do this blush, shall we? See, this is the packaging. It's really cute. It's a cute moment. The back, noise, and it got smaller. It got smaller. Did it not? And then this is the color, which is super pretty. It's giving me like Florida vibes. I'm gonna go in with the blush brush from IT Cosmetics. Oh, cheeks, right? Oh man, that is too much. That is too much. Okay, so she's very pigmented. You know what I'm gonna do though? I'm gonna kind of take it up to the forehead. We're gonna go with the sun-kissed look. That's so funny. So I'm gonna take this again and we're gonna go over. But okay, before I cover it up and dumb it down, not dumb it down, just chill it out. It does go on smooth, I will say that much. She's a smooth beauty. Just have to be careful. Look, it's picking some up. Okay, we're a little less blushy. Okay, wow to the pigment. Wow to the pigment. Now I'm a little nervous to do this, but we're in it. We're committed. This product, the packaging is super cute. Look at it. How precious. And she looks like this. Look how pretty that is. Okay, I'm gonna do, I'm nervous now. I'm gonna do just a little swipe. I almost went back in. Okay, so this is what's adding our shine. You see it? That's, yeah, there's a difference for sure. That's really pretty. Okay, 2 little swipes. All right, it's a heavy blush day. You know what I like about this though? The different angles that you're hitting. You see like that shine follows the light. You literally are glowing. I could definitely afford to glow it down a little bit, but we're in it to win it, right? It's still really pretty though. Yeah, absolutely. Am I debating if we need highlighter or not? Yeah, absolutely. This is fairly new. I haven't done a makeup video on it, but I've mentioned it in my vlogs. If you're not watching those, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is from Morphe. It's the Going Platinum palette. I love it for every day. It's got some cool tones in there and some shimmers. You can just do a basic every day, or you can really glam it up, whatever you want to do. This center shade right here, you can use wet or dry. Urban Decay crease brush, my tried and true, and we'll just go in with this soft first little shade right here, and literally, you know the drill. This is just to add some depth and dimension. I'm not doing, like the look today isn't eyeshadow. It's blush, unbeknownst to me. And I bring it up really high because I have hooded eyes. And this is the only way that you can see it. And it actually create that wider eye look. If you have hooded eyes and you're stopping at the hood, it's literally gonna make your eyes look more hooded. So always bring it up. Just like that. Next new thing on the list, Tower 28, the Make Waves mascara This is just the jet black one. This got really, really good reviews on Sephora, so I had to try it. This is what the wand looks like. Oh, separation. Wow, definitely. Okay, what do you think? Definitely getting definition and separation for sure. Wow, it's not clumping at all. And they are getting longer for sure. Look at that. Nice. Do we love the mascara? I actually think I really do. Like, what I like about it is it's not a wet formula, so back to the hooded eye thing, you know, if it's a wet formula and you like look up or you open your eyes too wide, it's all over the lid, and that's so annoying. So this formula is a little more maybe waxy, a little thicker, so like the dry down is impeccable. There's no line on my lashes or on my lids there, and the length and separation, really nice. That's 2 coats on the top. Now let's go in with the lip real quick. Dang, my light just went out. Oh well. I'm going to skip the highlighter because we already have a lot going on here. Now we're going to go in with this from Freck. It is the Makeout Club Nude Muse Lip Liner in the shade 1. This is what she looks like. I like this shade. Maybe it'll be an everyday shade. It's kind of a brownie. Super smooth. Super smooth, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, that's a really nice shade. Goes on smooth. Really pretty color. And now, since we're just kind of keeping it chill, let's go in with this from Milk Makeup. It is the lip oil in the shade Cookie Dough. And literally, this is like the most simple but still cute everyday look. Liner and your lip oil or a lip gloss. Love that. It's like high shine without the stick, without the goo of a lip gloss. Are we done? Great. Sounds of the city, baby. Okay, y'all, that is the trying new makeup video. That does it for me. A lot of good products. A lot of nice, like, summery, you know, like, makes you feel a little good about yourself in this summer heat. Like, the high cheeks, the shine, the shimmer, the glow of the lip oil. Gorge. I really, really had fun. This was a good one. Let me know down below what products you were loving. Thank you so much as always for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.